When I had to buy them, but I didn't. Down there at the gun show one time, I already had them.
Can you hold the front grip?
I can hold right here because he just this here for it.
I got a few boxes. I don't know, it was six. I don't know what it's made of. Slug about 12 gauge rock. It's got a little.
Almost blew by.
Alright, so I'm gonna make a quick video for you guys real quick. If you guys are interested in this or like these kind of videos, just give me a like and some comments and I could show you some more of my builds here. Today I'm gonna show you my Glock 43X. This is one of them. And I'm gonna show you my Anderson manufacturer AM15 chambered in 5.56 223. Also got a Beowulf 50 too that I built, which if you guys are interested in that, I'll show you guys that too as well. This is an ultralight, so with the magazine out, the gun weighs less than the scope. And I got a build sheet for you guys. Extended mag release. There's nothing in it for safety purposes. And show you that this is one of my favorite things about this gun. So, you know, in regular ARs, you gotta cock it back and hit that on the side to lock the carrier. You flick this little lever and it locks. So you can smack and it'll chamber it, or you could just quick chamber. Also got the ambidextrous carrying bolt. I got a lightweight bolt in it too. I don't remember what brand it is, but super light. I could when I get a chance, I'll look it up and see what it is. So I'll go over the gun with you guys real quick. I got the build sheet here for you, priced out. So I paid $700 for the gun. The ambidextrous charging handle here was $80. The Ragna foregrip, this here, the skeleton, that was $164. The Venom scope, the Vortex, my bad, Vortex scope. This one here, what is it? This one is the Vortex Venom. I believe that was 150. The mag weld, the extended mag weld was 150. The scope was 450. The ultra, look at that pistol grip. Pistol grip, I paid 130 for it. The angle grip was $50. So all in all, this build total was $1,725. And I could also give you the link to where I got everything from, if that's something you guys would be interested in. And this is 200 yards. This is the grouping from this weekend. Or not 200, like 125 yards this was with this one. Not bad. And then next we'll go on and move to my 43X. Make sure this is clear. So this 43X, this is a Gen 3, I believe. Bought this a while back. I paid like 500 out the door for it. The SIG Romeo Zero is what I'm running on it. Love it. Let me get focused here real quick. Let me turn that on. And Romeo dot was around 150. The slide is a KS43. The slide was around 360. The compensator is a, let's see if I can get it on there for you guys. A little blurry, let me zoom in a little bit there. It's an agency, 41C. I think that was cheap. I think it was like $100 bucks. And then the raised sights, I'm not sure, I forgot. I think it's Siley Optics or whatever, however it was. I forgot how to say it. But I don't got the price on that, which I do. Well, I can get the price on that. And that's just these two that I got here. If you guys are interested in stuff like this, you know, I get a better setup, better camera, so I can really show you the guns that I got. Got a few more. I got some of my buddies got a few of them. Got an AK, AR shotgun, pump, P90, Vector, the Beowulf 50. I'm actually building another 43. It's another 43. And then I got another 43 I built here. This is the SIG polymer. Another Glock I'm building. Got a few more things coming for this. Smith & Wesson. I got another one of these. Buddy got it. And XD45.